Hi, this is Mohammed Usman from Pakistan and you're watching PaperKnowledge. In this video, I'm going to show you two quick ways to sum numbers in Microsoft Word. So first of all, you have to click on the cell where you want to see the results, where you want to calculate the values. In my case, I created three tables for your understandings that how these operations will work and how we perform the calculations. So first of all, we have to activate the cell. And I just click in the cell, and now this blinking cursor showing me that my cell is activated. Now I can perform functions, I can write anything in it, but we are going to calculate values. So for this we have to go to layout from the menu bar and click on formula, and here a dialog box will open with equal sum left. It means all the values on the left side of this activated cell will be sum. So I just click on OK, and you can see the result is 15. Same as in the second row, I just click on formula again and OK. So this is the way we calculate values in Microsoft Word, and I just named the second table method 101 using formula, the same method. The difference is that in the first table the values are listed on the left side, and in the second table the values are listed on above. So what will happen if we got a table like this? Nothing will happen. Just click on the cell, activate the cell and click on formula, and now you can see that your application Microsoft Word will automatically understand that the values are listed above. So it says equal sum above, and just press OK. So 5 and 5 equals to 10, and the same way you calculate other values from your table. So this is the method 1. Now I'm going to show you the method 2. Basically method 2 is much easier than the method 1, but in method 2 we have to set something before doing our operation of calculation of summing these values. For this we have to go to file menu, and here choose option, and here choose quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is the toolbar which you can see on the upper left side of your Microsoft Office application. So here you have to choose the quick access toolbar, and now click commands node in the ribbon, just because we are going to add a new command here. So I just scroll down this toolbar list and locate the function sum, and here is the sum function. Just click on it and now click on the add, and you can see that it will appear on the right side as well. So here when you click on OK button, you can see that here on the upper left side this symbol, this sum command will listed here, and I just click on OK, and you can see that the sum command will appear here right now. And now I just activate my cell and click on it. I just activate my cell and click on it, activate my cell and click on it. So this is the way you calculate the values, and in the comment section you can tell me whether the method 1 is easy or the method 2 is easy. So this is the way we calculate our values in Microsoft Word. I'm also working as a computer instructor. You can contact me in the comment section, or you can also fill a 1-minute registration form which you can find in the comment and in the description of this video, and you can just fill the form and I will contact you by myself. You can also hire me on Upwork or Fiverr if you have any kind of Microsoft Office work or any kind of other assignment work. I can handle all kind of work dealing with Microsoft Office applications like PowerPoint, Excel and Word. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Feel free to contact me anytime. I'm a full-time freelancer. I'm a full-time freelancer teacher and computer instructor. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a very good day.